Do you know what are the characteristics of cell? Cells are the basic structural and functional units of all living organisms. They have several characteristics that distinguish them from non-living matter. Some of the key characteristics of cells include cell membrane. All cells are enclosed by a thin, flexible membrane that separates the inside of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, allowing certain substances to pass through while blocking others. Cytoplasm, the interior of the cell, known as the cytoplasm, contains various structures and molecules that are necessary for the cell's function. This includes the cell's genetic material, in the form of DNA, ribosomes, which are responsible for protein synthesis, and various organelles that carry out specific functions. Genetic material. Cells contain genetic material in the form of DNA, which is responsible for the cell's growth, replication, and function. Energy processing. Cells are capable of carrying out various metabolic processes to generate energy for the cell. This includes processes such as cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Reproduction. Cells are capable of reproducing through either asexual or sexual reproduction, allowing them to grow and develop into more complex structures. Adaptability. Cells are capable of adapting to changes in their environment, allowing them to survive and thrive in a variety of conditions. Specialization. In multicellular organisms, cells can specialize into different types of cells with specific functions, such as muscle cells, nerve cells, or blood cells. These characteristics allow cells to carry out a wide range of functions necessary for life and provide the foundation for the complex structures and processes found in living organisms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you like this video.